Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video, we are going to take a tour of some of the Fendi bags that I saw when I was in Waikiki. And I am super excited to show you a few of these. They were really special. They just launched their new holiday collection, so there was a lot of bling and pretty colors to see. Before I get there though, I do want to talk to you about a collaboration I'm doing with Ana Luisa. I'm currently wearing four of their jewelry pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and swap a little bit of what I'm wearing out during this video, but I'm wearing the Temple Green necklace set, and it's got a beautiful malachite in it. It's two separate necklaces, so you could use the chain to put a pendant on if you wanted to use it separately or wear it separately. But I picked this particular pendant because I've got this beautiful David Yurman ring with the green tourmaline, I think is what it is, in the middle, and I thought that it would go oh so nicely with the malachite, which it totally does. I'm also wearing the low earrings. These are a little bigger than the other pair I showed you the last time I talked about Ana Luisa. And I thought that I would try them because my ears are extremely sensitive to anything but hoops, things without backs, and then I've only tried 14 karat or 18 karat gold and been successful. I've never been successful with stainless steel or silver or any other type of metal. I've never tried platinum. That probably would be dangerous if I started collecting platinum things. But anyway, these earrings are plated in 14 karat gold and they do not bother me at all. So if you are sensitive, you might look at the earrings on their website. Make sure you look at the description because several of them are plated in 14 karat gold on the post, but some of them are not. The first pair I got, which I ended up doing a giveaway with, had stainless steel posts, and so those wouldn't have worked for me. I know from previous experience, but these feel great. I'm also still wearing my Soraz bracelet. I have it layered here with some of my own bracelets, but this one is the Soraz bracelet, and I wore it to the beach and the pool in Hawaii. I haven't taken it off for a few weeks now, and I'm seeing no wear and tear on it to speak of. I'm not seeing any fading of the gold, but Ana Luisa does have a 2-year warranty on their jewelry, and so if I were to have a problem, they do stand behind their products. So I believe this necklace is a newer one, and it's called the May. It's got a beautiful blue stone in it, and I got it because I got the Lennon ring the last time around with the lapis, and I thought these two would pair really nicely together with my University of Kansas gear because it's this rich blue shade. And I'm not going to put this particular one on today just because I'm wearing green and green is the theme of the day, but I am going to swap out the necklace and I'm going to leave the chain on so that you can see the next one. So this necklace is the Kenzie necklace, and I left the Temple Green shorter chain on with it, but the Kenzie necklace is one of my favorite ones. I also have it in the mother of pearl, and you can see that the color of the malachite also really plays off my David Yurman ring on my right hand. So I'm super delighted with the pieces I got, and I really appreciate Ana Luisa gifting them to me. I do have a code for 20% off, which I will link down in my description box. And if you use my link, it is an affiliate link, and I will get a small percentage of the sale at no additional cost to you. I do want to pull up a little surprise unboxing. Well, it's not a surprise because it was in the thumbnail. But when I was at Fendi in Waikiki, I did find something that I absolutely love, and it goes with the whole theme of the day, the green color. You're gonna have to wait till the end of the video to see this, but I am super excited to share it with you. It's part of their new holiday collection, so I'm gonna set that to the side. I know I'm such a tease, but you're gonna enjoy all the eye candy to come, I promise. The first thing I saw when I came in the store was the holiday set. It was on the right, and they had a whole wall of beautiful sparkling pieces. They had a gorgeous silver Fendi baguette, which you can see. They also had a fantastic crystal peekaboo. It was absolutely stunning. I also got to see some of the mini baguettes and try them on. and I loved how they looked on my body. I didn't try putting any items inside because I didn't really have the intention of buying one, but they were a decent size, probably not quite big enough for me, but I'm sure it would hold as much as like a wristlet clutch or wallet on chain. And the drop length on the chain was perfection. I saw a beautiful sequin version, and I was told that was also part of their holiday collection. I just thought it was oh so pretty. But I was totally floored when I got to see the Galusha Petite Peekaboo. I got to try on that Petite Peekaboo, and it's a size that was smaller than the mini, but bigger than the nano. And it was a really nice size. And I believe the style of this peekaboo was the ICU, which is the newer style that has a more rigid structure. I didn't, again, put anything in it, but it did seem like a decent size. Probably would hold a little more than the mini peekaboo, but I can't be sure of that. I'm sure there are videos out there that will tell you what fits in each of these bags. I was more there for the eye candy. I also got to spy a gorgeous lizard come on bag, and I think that's how you say it. It's like C and then hyphen MON, but that bag was beautiful. I have heard though with lizard, when it has the white in the middle like that it can tend to yellow. I saw another YouTuber, and I believe it's Mel Soldera, who talked about it because she had a lizard box bag by Celine and it has yellowed in the center. So that's something to keep in mind if you're looking at one of those. I also got to try on a Fendigraphy bag, and I have to say I wasn't crazy about that particular style because of how close it was to my armpit when I was wearing it. It's just not a style for me. When you set it down, the beautiful Fendi on the bottom would be touching surfaces and getting scratched up. I'd be curious to know, anybody out there who has that particular bag, do you have an issue with the bottom getting scratched? Have you put stickers on it like I like to do with so many of my bags to protect the hardware, or do you just let it go? Final thing that caught my eye while I was in the store was card holders. They were just right there in a case, and they caught my attention because I noticed that the card holders had 3 slots on each side with 1 in the center, and that is my absolute favorite configuration for a card holder because it holds at minimum 7 cards and it's so compact. The card holders I was looking at were primarily, if not all, from the Fendi Diamond collection. And if you'll notice, the FFs are in a diamond shape. And so I thought that was kind of cool. And one of them in particular caught my eye, and that just might be what I have to show you today. So here it is. Let's go ahead and check out what's in the Fendi bag. I managed to make it home with this bag pretty much intact. It doesn't look too tattered. I took the box out and put it inside of another box that I'm going to show you in a future unboxing. Hint, 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 you better stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already because we have more unboxings to come. But it is a petite little box because it's a petite little item, and I really think they packaged it quite nicely. We have a little Fendi dust bag. I don't have a lot of Fendi pieces. I have one baguette, and it is one of the chain baguettes. They only do the midi size, I think, in the chain baguettes like what I have. Mine is a medium, and it's perfect. So I hope they come back out with those. The regular baguettes just don't work for me with the straps because the short strap is too short to wear on my shoulder, and the longer strap is too short to wear crossbody. And I know those bags weren't intended to be worn that way, but that's why I like the medium baguette so much. And I know it's killing you because I just put the item down that I was getting ready to unveil, but this is my medium baguette, and this is the size that's absolutely perfect. I love how it has the double chain because I can wear it on my shoulder comfortably, or I can pull the outside up and wear it crossbody. If I ever saw another one of these in a different color that appealed to me, I would definitely consider it because this is an awesome size. And I did pick up a little card holder when I purchased the peekaboo that I had. I don't have that bag anymore because the peekaboo bag is also not for me. But I love how these two match so nicely. I'm totally on a tangent now. The peekaboo is not for me because of how the strap clips on the bag. They have the strap clipping on just under the top handle, and it rubs on the bottom side of the top handle. And I just cannot do that because it's like the crochet. If you clipped a strap on here and you had the clip rubbing up against this leather, that leather is going to get worn over time. It sort of feels like the peekaboo was designed to be only a top handle and the strap was added after the fact, and not enough consideration was put into how it was added. If they would have put D-rings on the side of the bag somehow like this, it would have fixed the problem of the leather getting damaged underneath. My peekaboo had damage right underneath here from the strap rubbing on it, and that's why I traded it in. I did it with rebag before I became afraid of rebag. I traded it in and got something different because I was afraid that that damage would get worse. So now we'll get to the unveiling of my beautiful card holder. Now, one of the colors in this card holder is malachite, and I cannot remember the other one, but this is from the holiday collection, and it matches my outfit and my necklaces and my David Yurman ring, and so that's why I wanted to bring it out today in all of its glory to show you. It has 7 slots, and here in the middle is the information, so I can tell you exactly what color it is. It says CC Case Flat Vit King / Cruise New. So they told me it was holiday, but perhaps it's from a cruise line, but each store only got one. I do know that. And it also says ver.ing, which I'm not sure what that means. Probably it means verde, which is, I think, a Spanish word for green. Likely it is also an Italian word for green in some form that's similar to verde. So it says ver.ingl plus malachite, which is abbreviated a little bit, plus OS. For what it's worth, we all know I like to be thorough, but here is the information in case you want to find one for yourself. Each store only got one according to the sales associates I spoke to. I thought this would be a good investment. It was normally, I think, $290, and because I bought it in Hawaii, it was $260, I think. Worked out to be $271 after tax with their tax rate. Of course, I got home and Gilt was running a great big sale, and they had the Diamonds card holder in black for $199. If I would have known that, I might not have bought this one, but I am glad I have the green one. It goes with so many of my neutral bags, and it even goes really good with blue and pink. It's crazy how many things green goes with. It's almost a neutral on its own. In comparison, here is my Prada flat card holder. I believe this was a holiday piece too. It's in the gold. It is worn extremely well. There's really no wear to the gold finish, but it is my favorite because it has so many card slots for such a compact little package. And you'll see that the Fendi one does have the same configuration. And so that's why I absolutely love it so much. They both are lined with fabric inside of the slots. The Prada is lined with leather in the middle slot, and the Fendi is as well. To be thorough, here is the lining on the card slots inside the individual compartments of the Fendi. So that is the little unboxing of the day. I hope you enjoyed it and the video with all the eye candy. Before I go, I do want to remind you to head on over to the Ana Luisa website. I have it linked below. They have some beautiful pieces. They have a great return policy. They have a great warranty. And I have a discount code for you. So it just can't get hardly any better than that. With that said, I think that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same as the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.